this off. I just want to show y'all how easy this thing come off and what it looked like after 8 years of being on there. Look at that, man. Clean. Shout out to PLASTIDIP, by the way. Yo, what up, guys? So I'm here at AutoZone again, picking up the paint. I got picked up. Let's see. Sorry. Picked up this matte black PLASTIDIP. I got some gloss coating, and I'm gonna try this reflective spray. Let's see what that's talking about. Haven't used it before, but we just gonna see what it's talking about. Sorry, so this is what I got. This and this. And I used PLASTIDIP before. I'm not sure what coating I used last time. They use it different. Over here. And look at the other stuff we got. I think it's some other stuff. I need some masking tape. Masking tape. Caps, you can tell you what color or I might have used one of these black ones right over here. But I don't know. I think I'm gonna just go with this stuff for now and see how that works, and if not, I'm gonna come back. One of them. We gonna figure it out. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm about to paint. I'm gonna show y'all. Quick second. I'm gonna just browse the stove. I'm gonna browse the stove for a second, and I'm gonna get back to y'all, man. There's Bay. Just got a fresh wash. Clean, boy. Except for the grill, because of course I was using. Oh, what the heck? Oh no, man! Somebody got me. What the heck? They done got me, man. Gotta go back. I'm about to go back right now. I got that membership. Let me get that membership. Get on the car washes. Going back right now. But anyway, so this is what we got to respray. Let's see, really got to respray this one. But she's still. This trim too. That trim is still. This one I got to respray. Come on. I'm gonna have to clean it, take it off, clean it, respray it, mask it down, then respray it. So we got paint, We got a PLASTIDIP. The PLASTIDIP paint. We got a PLASTIDIP flexible coating, a gloss coat, which I really don't like the gloss coat. I really want it matte. I don't know, because this right here is matte. You can tell, you can see it's matte. Ain't no gloss to it. It's straight matte. You see it's matte. Straight matte. I like that. I low key though, to be honest, I low key wanna go white this time. Ooh, I should go white. Oh, I should go white. That'll be hard. Yeah. I'm gonna come back. I'm just about to go in there and swap it out real quick. Alright, so we back. Definitely had to go in there and swap them out. I don't want to do black no more. I want to do white this time. Oh, and guess what? It got the pearl. It got the pearl with it. It got the pearl. You can put that pearl on that thing. Okay. So you know how to do it. Going white. Going white with the pearl. And we might see what this reflector we're talking about. I don't know. Yeah, that's what we're doing. White with the pearl. That's gonna create this Arctic white with the pearl, because you know she already got that pearl in it. You see the pearl. You see the pearl in it. She got the pearl. So we might as well pearl up the envelopes and trim too. Pearl them up. Pearl. Call Pearl in the bikini bottom and put her on the Benz. Call her Pearl, like Pearl, I need you. From the bikini bottom. I need you to do your thing on this Benz. Look at that thing. That thing, Pearl. Look at that Pearl. Oh wait. Yeah, man. So, of course, we're gonna get some new rims. I just want to tell y'all that. So we've been riding factory for a long minute, and I know my rims is fucked up. Excuse my language, but they fucked up. But I'm gonna tell you something else. And here in Tulsa, boy, the rims and the roads in Tulsa is so fucked up. Like, man, so fucked up. So that's why I really ain't got no rims, because it ain't no point. Like, this type of shit happens. Like there's a bend in there somewhere and everything. Like, that type of shit happens. So that made me not even want to waste my money on no rims here in Tulsa. But now I don't really give a fuck. We gonna get some rims this time. These rims, they starting to get rust. They done for it. Like, they're done. It's time. She needs some new shoes. I wanted to just spray them. Boy, people crazy, bro. But I wanted to just spray these, get them painted, powder coated black. But can't even do that now. They got chips in them, chips and scrapes and drapes and wraps and gaps. And they done. So definitely gotta get new. I'm gonna get another thing we gonna get is floating Mercedes Benz cap. I seen these on Amazon not too long ago. Put a description, the link down below. But what y'all think? You think I should get some floating caps, Mercedes Benz caps, or just get regular, get the regular blue or the regular black? Comment down below, let me know. But anyways, she look good. Got a little bug juice on them, but it's alright. You know, we be out in the streets. We be outside with it. She be getting it. And See, like I said, she about to go to the shop soon and get service. She about to get new brakes, all that shit. We about to drop a bag on her. We're about to drop a big bag on the girl. But it's all right. She take care of me. I'm take care of her. And yeah, look at that. I sprayed that thing 6 years ago. That one still look good. Look at it. It still look good. About 7 years ago, actually. Still look good. About 8 years actually. Still look good. Look at that. That look good. I like that. It do a color gloss to it? I can't tell. It's matte to me. It's matte. I like that. But anyway, she about to get new brakes. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna spray this trim down here white or not. I might do that. I don't know if I'm gonna do white and black. Just do all white. I kinda just wanna do all white. But we're gonna see. Y'all stay tuned. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. We got some big things coming. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm about to spray this thing up real soon. Alright, y'all. So I already started peeling it. I almost forgot to record. But look, this is how easy come off. This is how easy. That easy. It even protects your emblem. Look how clean that thing look. Look like I just cleaned it. That thing been on there for 8 years. Shout out to PLASTIDIP, man. This ain't no sponsor now, but they need to send me some coins. This is a good video. A good video. Look at that. Right off. Right off. So you see all those black marks, you see all of that. Y'all see all those little specks. That is like overspray paint that I did not know was there. This whole time I saw it like here on the trunk, you can see it, but I did not know what it was. So as you see, it's there. Now as I pan up a little bit, it's not that much there. So cleaning it. Still got a little ways to go. So this is what I'm using to clean it. A little clay bar, some instrument detailer that came with the clay bar, microfiber, paper towel, little softens. So yeah. Oh, and I've been peeling this off as well. To show y'all that. Y'all see that thing still clean up under there. Still brand new. It's not that hard to clean off. It's just a little tedious. You gotta use a little toothpick to get the edges and stuff. But it's coming along. It's coming along. Getting it off. Getting this overspray off. And we got the emblem all clean, as you can see. Next, I guess we're gonna take this black off. And we're gonna spray it, clean it again, and spray it white. Yes, sir, that's what we're doing. Just want to give y'all a little quick update. And I'll see y'all in a minute. Here, one more shot of this overspray. So, as you can see, this is what I do clean. Here, and as we go to the right, you start to see more overspray. See all of that? Yeah, that's overspray. So we're getting it off, as you see. Look, it was all down, all the way down. So we're getting it off. That's another quick update. Y'all see the overspray as I pan up.